Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to graph a line using restrictions. And it'll become clear when you see the activity that you're going to be doing, why you need to know how to do this. I'm going to go ahead and warn you that today's activity is difficult. It's supposed to be difficult. It's an extension activity. So please do not get, too overwhelmed. It's all in good fun. And it's supposed to be hard. All right. But you're going to need to know, for our purposes later, how to draw a line that doesn't necessarily go all the way across the graph. So what I mean by that is, let's say I'm just going to type in the equation y equals 2x. Okay, so I have the equation 2x. Okay, so if I type in the equation y equals 2x, obviously I get a graph of the equation y equals 2x. So for purposes that are going to become obvious later once you look at your project for today, let's say that I don't want the line to go any farther than the positive 4. I want the line to actually cut off. I don't want it to go any farther. Obviously, because it's a linear equation, it's going to keep extending, but I want to cut it off. So I'm going to do what's called adding a constraint. And what I need to do is go down here to the ABC button, click it. I need to click on the curly bracket, and then I need to say x is less than 4. So that means from then on, see how the line automatically cuts off right here at 4? Like the line stopped because I restricted my domain. I made it so that x cuts off. I don't have any values that are greater than 4. Let's say I also wanted to cut it off so that my y wasn't any bigger than 2. I didn't want the line to extend past that. Same thing. First of all, I'm going to close these curly brackets here. Then I'm going to add another curly bracket, and I'm going to say y is less than 2. And voila. So you see that I made it so that the x doesn't extend anywhere past the 4. Of course, by cutting off the y at 2, that also cut off the 4, as you can see, because it can't go up any further than the 2. But that is how I cut off a line. And I get it. This activity is going to be hard, but that's all I'm going to tell you. But I think that you'll have fun with it. But there's just the basics. Let me know if you got another question.